A classic mistake that a lot of companies make that we work with is that they want to become more data-driven, but they start with business intelligence reporting right away. So what does that mean? Is they often have a business analyst that knows PowerBI, Tableau, Click, and they just get started right away with building reports on which they can then start making data-driven decisions. The issue with this is that the data in those reports is not structured for reporting specifically or for analytics. And that means that becoming data-driven with these reports is also very difficult because you will have a lot of discussions about the data in there and a lot of resistance, basically. To solve this issue, you need to think about building a foundation for analytics, the single source of truth. The single source of truth is something that you can create with 3 components: the data pipeline, the data warehouse, and analytics. Everyone knows what analytics is, of course. That's the insights that you want to get from your data. The data pipeline is a software tool that integrates all of your data into the data warehouse. The data warehouse is the single source of truth. If you want to know more about these topics, you can find a lot of great content online, also on our website.